All right, fellas, I'm out here in the garage again. It's in the afternoon now, and daggone it, it's only got up to about 60 today. Real windy, the sun's shining, but man, it's a little cold out there. I had to have the heater on this morning out here for a little bit. Yesterday, it was like 82, 84 degrees. This weather's crazy. Got my 3D printer running again. See, she's running. It's 7%. You can see there, that's some more parts for the 35 Ford. This is what I printed out the other day. That's the body. Well, it come out nice and clean, didn't it? And there's the hood and the front grille. I just pulled these out of the printer about an hour ago. Here's the front axle. These have all been cleaned and cured. And then this is the that's the frame. Well, that frame come out nice and clean, didn't it? It looks good. And here's the floor pan. Oh, the parts are just coming out killer. All right, guys, this video is about the giveaway. Here is the first 3D printed engine that I'm going to be giving away. This is the 572 big block Chevy crosshair intake. It's really detailed up really nice, guys. This is the engine that I wanted to use in my 37 Ford sedan build, but it was just a little bit too wide with those on there. So I opted for the single carb, but nice kit. Well, guys, here's the rules for this giveaway for this first engine. Number one, you must be a subscriber to my channel. Number two, you must have a YouTube channel of your own because you're going to have to post some videos, so you got to have a channel. And number three, you need to post a video. If you win, post a video of what you got from me and what kit you're going to be using in or whatever you're going to build, scratch builder or whatever. Number four, you need to post a video once you get it completed so everybody can see. Everybody's going to want to see your completed model, man. And you got to have this done by the end of the year, 2025. So you got the rest of the year to get this sucker done. If you want to get in on this now, just reply to this video that I'm in on the giveaway. That's all you got to do. And this is going to go quick, guys. Like I said, I got 3 3D printed engines, and it's going to go quick. So next week, April 22nd, 2025, I'm going to be drawing the winner. So I'll be taking everybody that's entering, put them on a list, and then I have a number generator online that I'll be using, and I'll show that when I pick the winner of this first engine. So guys, like I said, everything's going to go fast, so get your name in the pot if you want to have a chance to get this 3D printed engine. All right, guys, I'm done.